Hi everyone! This presentation will discuss how to complete a 3-day food record. As a reminder, this is a required component of the assessments and you may find this diary insightful too. Every participant will need to complete this. We would like to know about your child's usual food intake, and a 3-day food record is a great tool to assess that. Our project coordinator will send or have already sent you a 3-day food record form by email. It is very important that you record your child's food intake as accurate and honest as possible. Please note that all information that you record will be confidential and not be shared with anyone else but our research staff. All data collected from this project will be used only for research purposes without any identifiable information. Here are pictures of the food record. It can be handwritten or typed into. If you do write, please use pen. The choice is yours. The 3 days must include 2 weekdays and 1 weekend day. It is best to complete this form after each meal or snack. Please do not wait until the 3 days are done to start the forms. You can place one ingredient or food item per line. The more detail for each food item, the more data we can have. You will complete this form and review it with a team member. We will go over each column in the next few slides. Make sure to record the date that the child ate and include the month, day, and year. As a reminder, you need to record 2 weekdays and 1 weekend day. Our project counts weekdays as Monday through Friday and weekend days as Saturday or Sunday. Also, the 3-day food record does not have to be completed 3 days in a row. Don't forget to report the time for when the child had any food or drinks. Please make sure to indicate if it was AM or PM. Please decide if it was a meal or a snack. There are no wrong answers and it's based on the child's usual intake. Generally, a meal is larger with more food items than a snack. If it is a meal, please list if it was considered breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Make sure to include all drink items and beverages along with the meal or snack. If the child had a drink at a different time, please note that too. Location. Please write where the food was prepared. Was it from home, school including daycare or preschool, or at a restaurant? If it was from a restaurant, please include the name. Details, details, details. This line includes the name of the dish, all ingredients, and the style of preparation. For example, a packaged granola bar should include the brand name and flavor. But if you made your own granola bar, it would be best to include the ingredients of your delicious recipe. Make sure to measure and note the amount of food. It can be recorded in cups, ounces, or even slices. If the item can be counted, write the number of pieces and the average size for the item. Since there are multiple ways to record the size, the food amount booklet will offer the best guidance. List the size and page number if you use the booklet. Have your booklet handy. It will be important to measure the size of the food items prepared. For example, the wedges page can be useful for pizza slices. The width can be viewed with the letters, and the length corresponds with the numbers. So, A1 is the tiniest slice, and E5 is the largest. Also, please indicate the percentage or amount that was actually eaten. Additional information is optional to complete. What may be useful for us to know about the food item? For example, was ketchup added? Was not all the food prepared eaten? Not done yet. Please select yes or no if it was a usual day for the child. If not, please explain why, especially in relation to the food environment or intake. An example can be the child was sick. As a reminder, please make sure the food record is as honest and accurate as possible. Also, you may include pictures of brands and food items to help with documentation. Let's go through this document together. The child's name and date were included. This day actually occurred on a Friday, which our project counts as a weekday. The time of day was 8:05 in the morning because we used the 24-hour clock. We see the child have breakfast from home. The food item is Fruity Cheerios that are gluten-free. The food amount booklet was used to measure the cereal. We see that bowl 2, letter B, seems to be the most accurate and is about 3/4 of an ounce. The child did not consume milk. However, in the next line, we see that the child did have water. At the very bottom, it shows it was not a usual day because the child ate the school lunch instead of a packed lunch. Please take the time to review this example. Thank you for listening. We'll be happy to take any questions, and you can contact us at this email.